How to watch Geo TV on Samsung Smart TV. Method 1. Geo TV app from Samsung App Store. Step 1. Check compatibility. Make sure your Samsung Smart TV runs Tizen OS, Samsung's built-in operating system found on most models from 2015 onwards. Note that Samsung Smart TV runs Tizen OS, not Android, which means the Google Play Store is not available. Samsung has its own dedicated app store instead. Step 2. Connect to the internet. Make sure your TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet internet connection. Step 3. Open the App Store. Press the Home button on your remote to open Smart Hub, then navigate to apps using the arrow keys and press Enter. Step 4. Search for Geo TV. Use the search bar, the magnifying glass icon inside the Apps section, type Geo TV or Geo TV Plus, then select the app from the search results. Step 5. Install the app. Click Install to download and install the app directly onto your Samsung Smart TV. Step 6. Open and sign in. Once installation is complete, open the Geo TV app, sign in with your Geo account credentials, or create a new account if you don't have one. Note: if the app does not appear in your region store, move on to Method 2. Method 2. Screen mirroring from mobile device to TV. If Geo TV is not available directly on your Smart TV, you can mirror your phone screen to the TV. Step 1. Enable screen mirroring on the TV. Go to your TV settings General External Device Manager Device Connect Manager Access Notification and make sure the Smart View Screen Mirroring option is turned on. Step 2. Open Geo TV on your mobile device. Open the Geo TV app on your smartphone and start playing the content you want to watch. Step 3. Cast or mirror to the TV. On an Android phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel, then tap Smart View. Tap Continue if prompted, then select your TV's name from the list. You may be asked to enter a PIN or allow access to complete the connection, then tap Start Now to begin screen mirroring. On iPhone or iPad, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen, then tap Screen Mirroring. After that, select your TV from the list to start the connection. Step 4. Enjoy watching. Once connected, your phone screen will appear on your TV and you can watch Geo TV on the big screen. Pro tip: to reduce lag and buffering, make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and are close to the router.